So you're welcome. This is a quick one on how to navigate or through our Koder. So if you open your Koder, so this is the interface of our Koder. Just click on the plus button. Now select new folder. So we rename our folder. Let me call it coding with HMC, coding with Humility Media Concept. HMC, coding with Humility Media Concept. Just click. Tell me create. So inside that our folder, we want to create a new file. Just click on it. So tap on the plus button, select new file. Let me rename it. Let me name it my first code. So you click on create. So this is our new file. Just click on it. So this is our working space. To view the end result of our code in our browser, you click on the I button. So to view it, you click on the I button. So it takes us to our browser. So you can get a better understanding of this through our through the video I created on how to navigate through our thread edit. Thank you very much. See you in our next class.